back in action. We back in the action, boys. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm a little shaken up right now. My roommate is upstairs in the kitchen and she doesn't like me filming when she's upstairs because she finds me offensive. So we about to play a game. Yo! Hey! Give me a fucking handful of Selena Gomez pussy juice. I'll suck that shit up. Fucking bitch. Hey man, I do want to start off by saying we're still gonna film up here, by the way. We ain't changed location because nobody can push me around. God, I'm Ashley P. We just got in a little argument. Anyway, I do want to say I missed y'all so much. I just took 4 days off. I was at the cabin all week long and I got drunk all week long, so I didn't really want to put out a lot of drunk footage while I'm trying to nail some poon. You know what I'm saying? I had one goal that weekend, boys, to get laid. Like, honestly, it didn't really happen. Apparently, when you whirl your dick out when you're drunk saying, hey, bitches, suck this shit, they don't like it. You know, every rapper in history told me to be confident with my cock. And honestly, I think confidence worked. It's when they saw my penis, they started laughing. I don't like that shit. Anyway, man, of course, y'all know the NameBran fams, real strong. We're making the game the greatest of all time. So if y'all missed the video for 4 days, hit me with a big thumbs up down below. That'd be great. Leave some comments and questions. We got a couple unboxings today. We're gonna get straight into it. And honestly, I did miss y'all a lot. I hate taking that much time off, but once again, we did have to nail some poon, and I can't do that with the camera in my hand. Ooh, fuck! Actually, I just think about it now. It probably would work. Girls love clout. Anyway, getting into the video. So we have 2 unboxings. The first one, y'all can stick around for the next. The next one's really hype. The first one, we actually got another eBay mystery box. Now, I spent $50 on this one. It's a Hypebeast mystery box. If something comes in it, that's cool. I will leave a link down below. But we are going to start off this video with a giveaway of 2 t-shirts because I was away this week. I didn't give away any. We're going to do 2, and all you guys got to do is leave a thumbs up down below, comment on this video, subscribe. Instagram's a bonus if you want to follow, and tell me what's in this mystery box from eBay that we just picked up. Now, to be honest, I was really stoked about this because in the mystery box, it'll say it'll either be Supreme or Bape or sneakers. I was hoping for sneakers. With a Hypebeast mystery box, you'd think they'd probably be hype sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Any shoe for $50 would be lit. However, they packed it in a box like this, dog. There's clearly no sneakers in it. It says fragile. And if they know the NameBran channel, it's probably a fucking glass dildo. Fragile. Ah, shit. It probably is. You know, I sell shit on eBay sometimes. When people see my email, they're like, oh, NameBran, it's you. Cool. Awesome stuff. I love that you sold me something. So I'm hoping that didn't happen for them, because if they really know the channel, once again, I'm getting a fucking glass dildo and I ain't using it. Trust me. No way. We got too many pocket pussies for that. Flashlight collection coming real soon. Without further ado, though, I'm not trying to waste time on this video. We're gonna get right into this. NameBran, how in the mother dick you about to open up that package, you puss. Ow! Fuck! And I also just forgot this says fragile. Shit. First off, eBay mystery box. I'll let you guys see it first. It's plastic. What the fuck is this? Oh! 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 As y'all can see, they crinkled it, which I'm not stoked about. We got knacks for the pussy, boys. That does not sound good. I meant to say, like, we got knacks on that ass, but it sounded more murderous than I wished. That's a fucking win. I've actually been wanting one of these. I was gonna buy one at SneakerCon, but they were like $100? I don't even know. I'm really hot. I'm really hot right now. Hold on. We got the Supreme Max in the eBay mystery box, so that's fucking hype. Honestly, I did not think I would get this at all. We're gonna open it up real quick. Ah! Oh! On the website, they only showed the fucking front of it. On the back, it actually says Supreme right here. This thing is sharp. Quick test. Oh my god. I hope there's no Yeezys in there. I didn't actually think about that. That's off the first box, the mystery box. If I don't remember to put the link in the description, which I never remember to do, you guys let me know. But we got that right there. I'm not trying to waste time on this because I'm really stoked for what's in the next package. Oh, fuck! Oh! I knew I shouldn't have done that! I scratched it. I got a big horkin' scratch on my fucking thing already. From a box! Now, I'm actually really like OCD on all my Supreme. It needs to be mint condition because I want to put it in my fucking cabinet, but this is not now. That's awesome. Just sauce that over there because it doesn't mean anything. And you know, I'm gonna pick that up. Probably step on it later. Next up, man, we got a package right here. I ripped it open a little bit to see what it was, and it is what it is. This is actually from a subscriber that hooked it up. This right here is another Supreme piece that I've been wanting for so long, and this thing is absolutely fucking lit. I've never seen it in person. I've seen a lot of pictures with it. Without further ado, man, we have the Supreme life jacket right here. This is gonna be perfect for the wall. You guys know I'm trying to make the best Supreme room of all time. And honestly, I think this is a staple. We also got a note in it. I told him I'd give him a shout out. He actually sold this to me for $250, I think. That's pretty much what they're going for on, oh, he wrote it on the sticker. What a G. That's pretty much what they're going for on StockX. However, this dude saved me so much with shipping. If you guys ever buy from StockX, you know, if you're in Canada, that they tax the fuck out of everything in terms of shipping to Canada, stuff like that. He says, yo, Brandon, thanks for buying this dope life vest. Your writing is fucking awful, by the way. Can't wait to see you wear it on the video. See you at London Sneaker Con. It's kind of conceited to think that I'm actually gonna fly out there and not ask me about it, you douche, but it's still fine. Anyway, his IG is ALUXNDER. I've actually checked out his page because we were talking a little bit when he sent this to me. Go check out his Instagram. He's got a lot of dope pieces. He also says, if you need any Supreme, hit me up. This dude's a fucking G once again. And if anybody wants a sticker with writing on it, I'll send it out to you. You guys are weird, but it's a letter meant for NameBran, so maybe you'll like it more. Dude, I've been so stoked for this though. Like, this is fucking, oh my god. I don't even know what size he got. He said he got it from Supreme. Like, I think he's from the UK or some shit like that. I think he got it from the actual store. This thing is fucking lit. And hang it on your wall just like this, bitches will come in and rub their clit. Bars. You know, Tony, I fucking love you to death, but you keep trying to rap in videos, and I think you're kind of a fucking poon for that. Like, we all know NameBran's got the bars and the cars to rock the dicks hard. Anyway, man, if you guys have not seen this yet, once again, I've never seen it in person. This thing's so cool. Honestly, great for any sneaker club. I'm gonna put it on right now. It really sucks because I was at the cottage and it didn't come in time. That's how it looks, man. I look like a fucking retard right now. Perfect. Oh, this must be an extra small. Ah! Oh, got it. Anyway, man, I'm actually, unfortunately going to a funeral in about an hour. A buddy of mine passed away, which really sucks, and honestly, I'm drinking so much alcohol, or not alcohol, coffee to try to, like, get my mood up a little bit. Feeling a little sad today about that, but we're gonna cut this video short, and we're not gonna, I think I just broke it. I think I just fucking broke it. Fuck! I cracked it! Anyway, boys, we're not trying to get this to 10 minutes today. I gotta split. I gotta go get a haircut. Appreciate y'all for watching. I missed y'all. New videos every single day this week to make it up to you guys. And if you guys wanted to win that merch shirt, you know what to do. Good luck. NameBran fams, real Sean, Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Blow. Of course it doesn't fucking turn off. Bitch! Fuck.